Hello my dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel DB3. This is class 10 ICSE mathematics. We are using Selena's math books to solve chapter wise. We are learning third chapters, section and midpoint formula, exercise 13a. Today's session we are going to learn question number 10 and 11. Before going to start the session, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share with your friend. For new updates video, please click bell icon, and if you want to see others video, please click I button and go to the playlist. Okay, let me start today's session. Question number 10. P is a point on the line joining A and B such that, okay, the ratio is given, such that 5AP equals to 2BP. Find the coordinate of P. That means there is one line is there which is divided by the P, and question asks to find the coordinate of P. Okay, let me explain by solving these questions. I said to solve this type of questions, okay, ratio and sections formula, section and midpoint formula, always draw the rough sketch which help you to solve questions very easily. Okay, now let me draw the line, and name of the line is A, B, then coordinate of A is given 4, 3, and coordinate of B is given, B is minus 2, 6. Okay, then which is divided by the point P, will mark P, and remember this first coordinate always marked by x1, y1, and this is x2, y2, and this is always marked by xy, and divided by in the such a ratio here, divided by this ratio. Let's write this ratio here. Okay, let's write from here we will get the value of m1 and m2. Okay, let's solve these questions. To solve this question, just separate the variable one side and number to other side. 5 AP equals to what is there? 2 BP. Okay, let's take this BP towards left and 5 towards right, and they are in multiplication. They will go to the denominator of other sides. Okay, now that means AP by BP, AP by BP equals to what is left there? 2 by 5, 2 by 5. Okay, now from A to P, what's the ratio is there? From A to P, A to P is 2, and from B to P is 5. That means from A to P is 2, and from P to B or B to P is 5. Then we got the ratio. This is M1 is to M2. Now use the section formula to get the coordinate of P. Okay, use section formula to get the coordinate of P. Okay, now let me write the section formula. X is equals to, for x is equals to, you know the idea how to write the section formula, and for this basic concept, please go through the first video of this chapters. Okay, it is there in the playlist. M1 x2, remember their number must be alternate. Okay, 1 2, then plus M2 x1 divided by sum of ratio M1 plus M2. Then formula for y is M1 y2 plus M2 y1, and divided by sum of ratio M1 plus M2. Remember, for x there must be x coordinate, for y there must be y coordinate, and number must be different. Okay, 1 to 1 to 1. Now let's substitute the value from the figure. X is not there, we are going to find M1. M1 is how much there? M1 is 2. Okay, now right here multiply x2. X2 is how much there? Minus 2. X2 is minus 2. In between formula plus is there. Then m2 is how much? M2 is 5. 5 multiply x1. X1 is how much? 4. Divided by m1 plus m2. M1 plus m2 means 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5. Now similarly, let's substitute here also. M1 is 2. 2 multiply y2. Y2 is how much there? 6. Y2 is 6. Then plus m2. M2 is how much? 5. Then multiply y1. Y1 is how much? Divided by m1 plus m2. M1 plus m2 means 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5. Okay. Let's simplify. X is equals to plus minus. Minus 2 to the 4. Plus multiply plus plus. 5 4 the 20. Divided by 7. Okay. Now similarly here, y equals to 2 6 the 12 plus 5 3 the 15 divided by 7. X is equals to how much? Minus 4 plus 20. Their difference is how much? Minus 4 plus 20, 16 divided by 7. Y equals to 12 plus 15, 2 plus 5, 7, 1 plus 1, 27 by 7. Okay. Now, after getting the value of x and y, always write together. Okay, while you're writing the coordinate, please write it together. Question asks to find the coordinate of P, and coordinate of P means x, y. Always write together. Okay, first x, then followed by y in between comma. Okay, therefore, of P is xy. X is how much? 16 by 7, and y is how much? 27 by 7. Okay, this way you have to find the coordinate by using the section formula if they provide the ratio. Okay, now let's do the second question. Question number 11. Calculate the ratio, and this kind of question is important according to the board. Okay, this kind of question is important. They will always ask one question to find the ratio or to find the point of intersections. Okay, now let me drop this one first. Now, question number 11. Read the question first. Calculate the ratio in which the line joining the points minus 3 comma 1 and 5 comma 7 is divided by the line x is equals to 2. X is equals to 2, the coordinate of the intersection. Okay, now let's draw the rough figure, and then write their coordinate, and let's mark this AB. Then their coordinate is how much? Minus 3, minus 1, and second coordinate is 5 comma 7. And remember, always mark this is x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. Okay, and this divided by x is equals to 2. Okay, divided means the point in between these 2 points. Okay, on this line. Okay, let's mark anywhere P, and this is always marked by xy, and x is equals to how much is there? X is equals to is given. X is equals to how much is there? 2. Okay, x is equals to 2, y is not there. Okay, then question asks to find the ratio. Ratio is not there, that means we are going to consider the ratio ourselves. Okay, let's let the ratio be k is to 1. Okay, you can use any letter. You can use the first letter of your name is to 1, any letter is to 1. Okay, and this is m1 and m2. Let's write here k1, and this is m1 m2. Now use the section formula to solve these questions. Okay, if they ask in ratio, find the coordinate. If they provide a ratio, always use the section formula to solve this kind of questions. Now let's use the section formula. X is equals to, what is the section formula? I think you know the formula. Please tell me. Yes, m1 x2 plus m2 x1, then m1 plus m2. Okay, very good. Now similarly, formula for y equals to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Now substitute the value of each letter. Now look at here, x is there. In place of x, what is there? 2. It is given. Okay, in place of x, 2 is there. Now replace by 2. That equals to m1. m1 is there. m1 is k. m1 x2. x2 is how much? x2 is 5. Then plus m2. m2 is how much? 1. Multiply x1. x1 is how much? Minus 3. Divided by, while using the value, use with their proper sign. Then m1 plus m2. m1 plus m2 means k plus 1. K plus 1. Now similarly, let's substitute the value in this formula. Y. What is the y? Y itself is there. Okay, now let's write y only. Then m1 means k. Multiply y2 is how much? 7 plus m2 is how much there? 1 multiply y1 is how much? Minus 1 divided by m1 plus m2 means k plus 1. Okay, k plus 1. Let's simplify. 2 equals to k multiply 5, 5k plus multiply minus 1 3 is 3 divided by k plus 1. Then y equals to k multiply 7, 7k. Okay, plus minus 1 1 is 1 divided by k plus 1. Now look both the expression. Okay, solve that expression first which contain only one variable. Okay, we can solve that equation which contain two variables. We can get the answers simultaneously. We can solve the one equation to get the value for two variable. That's why after simplifying, check the expression which expression is only one variable, that solve that expression to get the value of k. Okay, now look at here, there is only one variable in these two variable. That means we are not going to solve this equation because two variable is there. We will keep like this, then we will take this equation to get the value of k. Okay, while you solving the equation, please check the equation and take that equation which contain only one variable. Now we are going to take this equation to solve to get the value of k. Now use 1. Every number, their denominator is 1. Cross multiplication, you can multiply any pair first. It is our choice, either up multiply to down or down multiply to up. It is our choice. Okay, I am going to take down multiply to up first. Then 1 multiply 5k minus 3 equals to 2 multiply k plus 1. Okay, now take this one and multiply to both. 1 multiply 5k is 5k, 1 multiply minus 3 is minus 3 equals to 2 multiply, take this 2 and multiply to both. 2 multiply k, 2k plus multiply plus 2 multiply 1, 2. Now, after multiplying, take the like term one side. Okay, separate the like terms. Now, k will keep one side and number will keep to other side. Okay, now let me solve here. Now we are going to take this 2k to left side and this 3 towards right. 5k, then take this 2k towards left side, minus 2k equals to 2 plus 3. Now get the sum. 5k minus 2k, how much their difference? 3k equals to 2 plus 3, 5. Then k equals to how much? 5 divided by 3. After getting the k, write the ratio. Okay, this is the ratio. Okay, what is the ratio? Therefore, ratio is 5:3. Now, if question asked, after getting the ratio, see the question. If question asks to find the coordinate, okay, if question asks to find the coordinate, that is a coordinate of intersection, this is called sometimes intersection coordinate and sometimes dividing point. Okay, and don't get confused, intersecting and dividing, they are talking about the same point, same thing. Okay, that means question asks to find the point of intersection. That means value of x and y. Value of x is already there, we need to find the value of y. Okay, how to get this value of y? After getting the value of k, substitute here. Okay, replace this k by its value and they get the value for y if question asks to find the coordinate of intersection or coordinate of dividing points. Look at here, the additional question is there. If question asks to find ratio, we complete up to here only. If question asks to find the coordinate also, substitute this value here and get the value of x and y. Coordinate means value of x and y. Value of x is already there. Now we need to find the value of y. To find the value of y, take the value of k. Okay, if question asks to find the coordinate, remember this one. Okay, always read the questions completely. Okay, now let's do this one. Replace this k by its value. In place of k, what is there? 5/3. Okay, now y equals to 7 multiply k is how much? 5/3 minus 1 and divided by k is there. K means 5/3 plus 1. Let's simplify this one. Okay, let me do here. 7 5s are 35 by 3 minus 1. Then let's do the LCM here. LCM, cross multiplication method. 5 1s are 5, 1 3s are 3. This way. 5 1s are 5 plus 1 3s are 3 divided by 3 1s are 3. And same thing we'll do at the numerator. Okay, same thing we'll do at the numerator. Then y equals to 35 1s are 35 minus 1 3s are 3 and 3 1s are 3 divided by 5 plus 3 is how much? 5 plus 3 is 8 divided by 3. Now cancel this 3. Then y equals to 35 minus 3, how much? 32 divided by 8. Then 8 1s are 8, 8 4s are 32, y equals to 4. Now question asks to write the coordinate. To write the coordinate, write the value of x and y together. Question asks to find the right coordinate. This is called point of intersection or dividing point. Don't get confused with this. Okay, light gone, please wait for the light. Now write the point together. To write the coordinate, question asks to find the coordinate. Let's write the value of x and y together. Value of x is already there and put the value of y there. Okay, therefore coordinate of intersection Okay, point of intersection, coordinate of the point of intersection is value of x and y together. Value of x is there already given 2, then value of y is 4, and this point sometimes they call coordinate of point of intersection, coordinate of dividing. Okay, anything, don't get confused with the language, just they ask to find the value of x and y. After going through this video, I'll ask you to please try to solve other questions from your textbook. For any kind of help, please comment us. Okay, I'll make the video if you need sometimes aware, or otherwise you can send the questions. I will make the video on that questions. We'll meet in next sessions. Till there, take care, stay at home, stay safe, and practice regularly. Thank you for watching.